Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. First of all, welcome to the vlog, guys. Again, Matt here as always. Thank you so much for watching. So I have been gone last week. I was on vacation. Make sure to take vacation as well. The truck hasn't been started for like a week. Now it's the actual cold start. Woo! She sounds pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. I mean, well, nice stock, not the most expensive mod, but still a good one. What's up, guys? I just introduced myself, so if you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. So we are back to the modifications to the truck, and today I think it's better to explain to you guys before we start doing it, right? So let's get this set up. Whoa, yeah, as you can see, we got Lasfit headlights for the truck. We're gonna install in a little bit, but just before you go, I'm gonna hook you guys up once again. In the link in the description below, you guys gonna find a link for those high beams and low beams lights. Also, you can take advantage of a coupon 10% off on the high beams and low beams and everything else on their website. Just make sure to use the promo code Matt and Lasfit. I will put it here on the screen so you're not gonna forget, because as you guys know, I already have LED lights, but I'm running an issue. So today's video is gonna be all about light. Let's do it. Before we start working on the truck, I'm gonna pull the truck in the garage because it's so windy and I don't want you guys to have bad audio, right? So let's do it. Alright, we got here. So just to recap, I have the low beams LED lights from Diode Dynamics. Alright, and that's okay, but I'm having issues with this one here. And since our friends from Lasfit, he reached me out, I was like, you know what, if you guys send me the lights, I will definitely upgrade everything. So that's basically what we're gonna do today. We're gonna upgrade everything, so low beams, high beams, and everything else. Alright, and then we're gonna compare also the quality between Diode Dynamics and the Lasfit. Those are the Diode Dynamics LED lights, right? I don't have the, again, I don't have the high beams because I didn't have the budget for. They are like around $150. And those that I have, it's the low beams. I'm having trouble with this one here, but unfortunately now, just because I'm recording, it's working. It is working. But sometimes it stops working by itself. You guys can tell here, I don't even have the cover. See, I don't even have like the dust cover on because I'm always trying to mess around with it. And it's so bad right now that I was like, you know what, I'm gonna remove the cover just in case, because I'm always running out of lights. But today we're gonna fix that. And here we have the Lasfit. This one, it's the low beams, which we're gonna install first. Lasfit. Here we have the warranty, which is great. And here we have the instructions, which I don't believe we need this. And here are the bolts. All those, they have like those resistors. I'll show you the Diode Dynamics right now as well, just so you guys see. But the quality of those is super nice, and the bulbs as well, as you guys can see, super nice. If you're listening to some noise, it's the vents from Diode Dynamics. Can you hear? We're also gonna compare how loud is the difference between the Lasfit, between Diode Dynamics and the Lasfit. Here we have both lights, the Diode Dynamics and the Lasfit, right? Trying to put everything on a camera. You're gonna notice it's really similar. Each one, they have the resistors, they have the same plugs and everything else. So I think the main difference, I would say, I don't know performance wise, I don't know if it's on the back. You see, that's Diode Dynamics. And that's Lasfit. So you can kind of see the vent right here. Like the bulbs itself looks like pretty similar. on the way they work and they are. So I mean, it's hard to tell. I just want to show you guys the difference between both. I have diode dynamics since probably for a year now. So far it's working good, but let me put this on, then we see what we can do. One funny story: to work on a lift truck, now you need like stove. Those lights, they are plug and play. You don't need to cue yourself to do anything in this. It's just plug and play. You just need to know how to deal with the resistor. That's the main part of it. I'm just make sure I see there's a plug in here. Just make sure it's all the way. I normally try to squeeze everything. I don't know how good you guys are gonna be able to see it, but that's how the lamp's sitting there. So, but I put all the resistor and wires underneath. They fit not really well, but good enough. See, you cannot even see it. So turn it on and we're gonna at least notice the difference and see, compare both. This side here, Lasfit, that side, diode dynamics. I don't know if the camera is gonna adjust, but looking in person, I have to tell you guys, the Lasfit, and I'm not doing this because they sent me this, it's just because it's brighter. It is definitely brighter. This is diode dynamics and this is Lasfit. Remember, my switchback, they are diode dynamics as well. So yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys notice any difference? I think, but I'm looking at the camera now and I think this is brighter though. It's definitely brighter. Let me replace the other side as well. We just make sure the low beams are done, all right? I just installed the both low beams, right? But look at how bad is the high beams though. See that yellow? I think if I come this way you guys can see better. Look at this. It's ridiculous the difference between both. So, but we got lucky. We're gonna replace that one right now. Here's the Lasfit high beams. It's very similar, the low beams. The only difference is that you don't have the resistor. And by the way, I'm not showing you guys how to install this because it's even ridiculous. It's like plug and play. You just unplug your stock one and plug this one back on. Just make sure to remove the dust cap, and that's it. It's very straightforward. To be honest, I like the quality of those. The vents are not that loud. On this one here, dude, I can hear from like when you turn it off your truck, you know, the lights keep on for like, I don't know, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, and you can hear from a long distance this one. But it's still good, but I like this one better. I really do. I'm gonna replace the high beams and we'll see the difference. Whoa, boom, install it. Look at that. Oh my God, it's way different. And it's way brighter. Look at that. Here is LED and here is stock. So you guys can see like in the wall. Look at that yellow though. I like it. I really like it. What do you guys think? I really like it. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of yellow though, so keep it that way. So that's good. That's really good. That's really good. I'm gonna do the other side and we're gonna close the entire thing, all right? Before we move on, I just want to show you guys the difference between the stock one and the Lasfit one. It's basically that. Yeah, it definitely needs more room, but of course you get more light, so that makes sense. All right, let's install it. All LED now, but to make complete, we need to do something else, right? So as you guys know, when the high beams are on, the fog lights are off. So I need to change that, but that's for the future. Yeah, that's it. Well, let me know what you guys think. You can get yours. Just make sure to use the promo code Matt and Lasfit. You can get yours. To be honest, I think they are cheaper than diode dynamics and they are brighter. All the links are on the description below. So if you're gonna get yours, take advantage of the coupon though. Take advantage of the coupon, right? So that's it, boys, for today's upload. I hope you guys enjoy. This video was more like improvement. Maybe modifications are all improvements. But yeah, it's more than something I need to do, and I really want to thank you, Lasfit, for partnership. You know, reach out to me and offer all this amazing product. I will never share with you guys something that is not good enough to share. What I mean by that is like I'm not even consider bad product. The reason why I'm sharing Lasfit is because, as you guys can see here, it's making such a huge difference. If you are still here, at the very end of this video, I'm gonna put like some videos from tonight, so where you can see how these things work at night, which matters. Now it's like lunchtime, it's super bright outside, doesn't even make sense. All the links are in the description below. Thank you again, Lasfit, for the awesome product. I hope to work with you guys more in the future. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers, boys. I can't believe we made that far. I have a big surprise, and I have a huge announcement to make, but not yet. We have to wait a little bit. Oh, by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I will probably put those dynamics for sale on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you're probably not gonna see it. Go there and follow me right now. Don't wait anymore. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys next video. I appreciate all the comments. If you have any question, leave your comment below. I try to answer as much as I can, as fast as I can. I hope to see you guys next week, and as always, don't forget, enjoy your life. Okay, boys, it's same day but at night. Just to give you guys an idea how bright it is. That's the low beams. Let me go inside of the truck a little bit. Okay, nothing. Low beans, high beans. Low beans, high, fog lights. You cannot even see the difference. That's the fog lights, and that's the light bar. Light bar with high beans. So that's it. I hope, you know, that shows enough. Yeah, I promise, and I deliver.